Canada came up with the quad design to reduce space. Then we had to find a rig that would allow us to drill that same design. So we designed these rigs to do this just strictly for our canyon.
SIMOPS consists of generally 4 phases. We have a location preparation, a fracturing phase, a coiled tubing phase, and a snubbing phase to get the wells onto production. Communications is of the essence in operations like this. We have to know what drilling is doing all the time. They have to know what we're doing all the time.
Gearing it to energy, making it global.
This is going to help us build future leaders.
Once you get in, you get foundational knowledge. It's a very, very exciting place to be.
Providing the training and being able to deliver this kind of a product is essential to the industry.
The Global Energy Management Program isn't just sitting in a classroom taking notes and going home and studying a textbook.
If you're looking for a career in the industry, you're better equipped than anybody else.
The Global Energy Management Program is a terrific program for companies to get involved in. It's a way in which they can build their future leadership with the expertise to run the business.
Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Plan represents the Community Energy Partnership Program.
The Community Energy Partnership is intended to be a movement. Our challenge as part of this movement is getting other people to care about energy efficiency and getting other people to care about resource efficiency of all kinds.
$67,325 is it, which is close by.
We had a vision about 1.5 years ago of doing this project. It came about in a strategic planning retreat that we had down in San Diego. We do thousands of tune-ups of apartments, and we do hundreds of tune-ups of small businesses. This was a different approach. Again, our goal here is to demonstrate what each and every one of us can do. If each of us goes out and takes an energy action, and then talks to a neighbor or a friend or a family member, and that person takes an energy action, we will be doing what we're really charged to do.
Look at this beautiful windows that they installed. Look at the structure here. Look at all the paneling that they did here. See, one of the windows used to be here, and they put that up there so it'll keep the heat out, insulated, okay? So, we're talking marvelous here.
Oh, you mean I'm supposed to introduce myself? My name is Allison Gamet, and I am a world champion free skier. And meanwhile, I had another career, my environmental career, and I had 2 separate lives. And what I decided was to marry my careers, and it's just been a fantastic journey after that.
Cool tax, it's $2. It offsets your driving up to the resort today.
Okay.
You guys want to help save our snow by eating some organic Clif Bars?
We're traveling from ski area to ski area to talk about global warming and show people simple things they can do to help save our snow and our planet. Everybody said it couldn't be done. You can't be an environmental skier. You can't build a straw bale house. You can't win the World Free Skiing Championships. I guess my life is all about what you can't do. I just mumbled that up. Do you want to do it again?
We have enough. If we conserve it, we won't need to build lots of power plants.
Have you ever wondered how many light bulbs you have installed in your house? $55, $56, $57, $58, $59, $4, $60, $61, $62. Wow, that's a lot of lights.
Peak's third energy action involved shifting time of use. Peak students understand that peak periods cause blackouts, higher power prices, and the need for more power plants. Peak students take actions at home to flatten their daily load profiles. Air conditioning in many parts of the country is the #1 cause of system peak demand.
We basically analyze that site for any potential environmental problems. Impacts to raptors, sage grouse. Big game habitat is also important. We're looking for potential erosion problems, potential weed problems. It's basically an analysis of the impacts prior to actually making the decision to put those facilities in place.
When we first installed these compressors back in June of '06, our friends and neighbors down in Spring Creek heard the noise and was bothered by the noise, so they called and asked if we could do something. So we brought consultants in from Canada and New Mexico that do this for a living, and they recommended putting sound walls in to mitigate the sound. The walls that they put up reduces the sound of the compressors by 80%. Now, as you can tell from right here, what the sound that our neighbors down in Spring Creek was hearing. So after we install these sound walls, as you'll be able to tell when I get around this sound wall, how much it's reduced the sound.